I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she work at Magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
So the Jeep came out tough, man, but quality of the work was real bullshit. And I'm gonna air all that shit out later. And I really hate to show y'all this and kind of ruin the whole vibes of what I'm doing, but yeah, bruh. It was a situation and a half, so here y'all go. Yeah, the hood satin. But I'm gonna wait until I clean it up at the crib and stuff. And I'm gonna just record something me and my girl job and try to make the best of it. So yeah, man. I got the sheets back and shit. Nephew go-kart back there. All packed up. She's stuffing her mouth. But yeah, man. I just ain't happy with the rapping shit. I ain't even had no time to do a reveal because I had to pick up my shit a day later because the shop was on some bullshit. I was gonna try to get them the benefit of the doubt at the end of this trip, but we ain't even made it to the destination and the shit peeling. So the detail was half-assed, the rap was half-assed. I'm either get my money back or I'm gonna get something back. So that's how we're gonna proceed with that. They didn't really just kill my whole move for my little Jeep, man. So I'm trying to not sound like a sourpuss on the video, but it is what it is. I'm gonna take that little bullshit down when we get up here. If for some reason, I don't even know, bro, my goddamn left front brakes way dustier than any of the others. So we gotta figure that out. And honestly, what I'm gonna tell y'all when we get to where I'm going, I might explain all that shit too, or why I say I'm gonna get my money back. Cause I'm telling y'all, I ain't trying to be no brat, but they got me fucked up for real. Regardless, man, I'll check back in with y'all like maybe like an hour once we on the road some more. But that's all I got for now, man. We just driving straight through Georgia. So I forgot to update y'all, but we done made it in one piece. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I mean, I ain't know what the fuck y'all want me to film on a road trip to have that bitch in the dark anyway. But my gas mileage was like 15, 16 mpg the whole way. It only take one tank. Well, if you fill up before you leave, you only gotta get gas one time. So it ain't bad at all, for real. Yeah, man. I'm gonna cover a little bit more what I was talking about with the rap and all that stuff, but really I just been trying to get home to my folks, so. Me and my old lady gonna get up out this motherfucking and sit down, and then I'll pick up this camera when I feel like it for real. But, yeah, Jeep cool. Now the light popped up on the dash. The temp was low the whole time. AC kicked the whole time. It was so cold in this bitch, actually, but yes, sir. Little GP. Yeah, we in Bama. Y'all see Florida don't look like this. Look at them colors. Nature and shit. Yeah, I'll let y'all later. Right here.
Oh, God.
Oh, man.
That's the car.
That thing nice, man. Come on, let's go that way. You like them? Right, man. That's nice.
Oh, God, that's video.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's the car.
Yes, sir.
Oh, gosh.
Mm-hmm.
I love that car.
You love that car? What that car do? What that thing do? Yeah, there you go, boy. All right, Brody, for sure. Ew. Got that motherfucker in there. Yeah. Fuck nigga. Alright, y'all, after eventful 4 days, as you can see, my front lip has become a casualty. I ain't even get to vlog nothing out here for real. I was just hanging out with my boys, hanging out with my cousins. And, you know, I was over there at my old crib where my mom and them used to live, bro. And I'm flying on the highway with my homeboy. And I ain't even looked down at the other stuff. Hell yeah, it ripped everything, y'all. But yeah, I'm flying on the highway with my boy. And then, bro, I just hear a big ass thump. And the thump that I heard ended up being my front lip. Me and my girl, we probably, I don't know how fast we was going, but we was moving. And I honestly didn't even think about it. If I remember where I was at, I probably wouldn't have done it. But it was just a moment where, you know, you speeding with your homeboy, y'all got your whips out and you just acting a fool. And I done caught the goddamn lip of the thing. And it's kaput. I don't know, it wasn't mounted the best anyway. But also just, fuck off me. Damn, bee chasing me, y'all. But anyway, yeah. It wasn't really mounted the best. Let me flip the camera. Y'all like my hat. But it wasn't really mounted the best, man. And I'm just thinking I was going fast. And I caught the highway at a weird angle, or just the Jeep was bouncing. Because, you know, even when you put this thing in sport mode, unless you put it in track, it's not real stiff. So that's what I feel happened. But overall, the Jeep been all right. I definitely want to hurry up and get my boost situated, because it ain't really, I mean, you know, I already knew what it was. It's my daily, but like in the future, I ain't even tripping on building the hell out the ZL1 like I fuck with the Jeep. Little Trackhawk, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with the Trackhawk. So we're gonna see, man. But yeah, right now my lip is a casualty, but everything else been pretty smooth. I'm about to check my oil. My brakes, for some reason, that brake side on the driver's side is throwing a lot more dust than any of the others. So I might have a caliper that's weird or something like that. And that shit did look pretty cooked compared to this side, so probably I'll deal with that. But yeah, we just about to make our way back down to the old man. So I'm gonna make sure my bumper's not mounted too weird. Matter of fact, I think when I buy this lip, I'm gonna take it to a body shop and I'm gonna have them fit my bumper better and put the front lip on. So, you know, maybe there was a sign I need to do that anyway, because it was kind of half-assed on them. So I'm gonna fit my bumper better and have them do that. And then shit, it's just little small stuff after that, man. Little small stuff. I love my Jeep though, bro. It's slick. I love this bitch, a Trackhawk. Not a Trackhawk. I built this shit myself. Man, shit finna be moving, for real, for real. But let me get another quick angle before I go away. Me and my old lady get in the car. So yeah, man, still looking good, but I'm definitely here with my new front lip. Get here, I ordered it. I'm hoping it looked the same. I'm really hoping it looked the same. I tried to reorder the exact one that I got, and I could not because they don't have anymore. My old lady bought me the very last one. So, yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna make my way back down the road, and then I'll probably holler at y'all when I get back to the O. All right, y'all, so I'm back from my trip. I done also picked it back up from the shop after Buddy's supposed to fix his shit. I ain't gonna cap, I'm never going back up there, and I might even charge my shit back for real. It's just, you know, once you get to a certain level with your car shit, you expect a certain level of attention to detail, you know, and just flat out up there ain't it. Excuse me, I'm burping behind the camera, but up there just ain't the move, man, you know. So I mean, took it back up there for him to redo the roof, and then this part here. And this dummy, he just think I'm dumb, bro. All he had to do is put adhesive under this and then rewrapped it, and it would have did it. He put too much heat right there, so he done shined up my satin. Then it was sitting outside, and a bird had pooped on the hood, and instead of this nigga, excuse me, instead of this fool wetting the hood and trying to get it off, he wiped it dry, and it scratched the satin right there. And then he redid the roof, but of course he didn't redo the whole shit. He redid the part he fucked up to where it was peeling right here. So instead he just, and honestly, bro, still like shit, but anyway, I mean, the window sill tucked a little better, but so instead you probably can't see, or maybe you can, the line is back here now. Back by my roof rails. So, I mean, I gotta get that off too, but whatever, bro. You know, it is what it is, but I just ain't going back up there. And so that's okay. But then this fool, some got trapped under the wrap right there. Like, it's just little bullshit, bro. His attention to detail is like he a tweaker or something. I don't understand. He should have never had the two pieces roof anyway, because it's not that hard of a roof. He just, I don't know, man. Man bit off more than he could chew. Folks be itching for the money and don't really be prepared to execute like they supposed to. But the reason I made this video though is because I'm gonna try to see if I can fix this scratch. I'm gonna see if I can hit it with a heat gun or something and get it out. And then I'm also see if I can tuck my own hood, because when I was in Bama, bro, my mama gave me like this shit that's like some lash glue or something, I think. And it stuck the adhesive to the roof. So I'm gonna try that. So what I'm gonna do, I got my girl hair dryer too for that scratch. So I'm gonna see if I can put some adhesive on that wrap part. And then I'm gonna try to get that scratch out with some heat. So I'll be back in a minute. What you want to show me?
Phone.
Huh?
Phone.
What you want to show me?
Phone.
You got hold like this. Hold like that. Now go, hold on. Let me show you. What you want to show me?
The kaji.
Okay, go ahead. You hold like that. Don't put your finger right there. You gonna block the camera. Yeah. Let me show you. Put your hand right here. Put your hand right here. Hold it like this. Just like that. Like, go ahead. You go show them the Jeep. Go ahead. Make sure you hold it up like this so they can see, okay?
Okay.
All right, come on. Good job. I'm showing the back right here. Come there with. Come there with. Now hold camera up. There you go. Good job.
Look at the kaji.
Look at that Jeep. Come on. Let's go that way. Hold on to it tight. Come on.
Look at that bag. Huh?
Black car.
The gray car.
That's a gray car.
The bag. The garage.
That's a garage.
The garage.
That's neat, that Uncle Dude.
The kaji. Sure.
Thank you, man.
Cash rules everything around me. Dream, get the money. Dollar bill, yeah.